Hello friends. I made a longer video really walking through the entire process of getting onto the MATIC network and yield farming and doing swaps and such. I wanted to make a shorter video just to kind of show you in essence how to use the MATIC network or Polygon. So I'm here at wallet.matic.network. And I'll put that link in the description. It's always good to copy and paste the links. There's a lot of scams out there, so I typically bookmark, copy, and paste. So here I am, MATIC Wallet V2. Now I've got my wallet connected, my Metamask wallet, and you can see it says I have $298.83. What is that exactly? So I'm going to show you something real quick. On my MetaMask, you can see I'm actually connected through the Ethereum network. And so if I go to the MATIC network, and again, I'll put the link in there of how to do this, and it's in my other video, but just because I want to show you quickly, and then if you want to go through the tutorial, you can go in the other video, but you can see I've got 559 MATIC, which is where this number is coming from. So that's connected to the MATIC. So basically, this is going to show me what I've got in my wallet, and this is going to get me to the bridge. So if I'm on Ethereum, let's say I'm using Uniswap, I'm swapping tokens, I'm sick of high gas fees. I want to put some ETH over the MATIC network. So I take a chunk of ETH, and basically what happens, it's going to be one transaction. So you're going to put a big hunk of ETH over there, maybe $500 of the ETH. Once that's bridged over, your transactions become fractions of pennies on the MATIC network, which is a layer 2 solution of built on Ethereum. Pretty cool. They are starting to get more dapps. They've got the Quickswap exchange, which is basically like Uniswap. And they're getting some other, they've got Avagachi, which is kind of like a little NFT game. But basically, you're going to go here. If you're on the Ethereum network, you're going to go, it says you might have some balance in your Ethereum account. Oh, yeah, so I've got some ETH. I need to get it over to MATIC. So I'm going to go move funds to MATIC. So now this works both ways. So right now I'm going to say, oh, I've got ETH on the Ethereum network. This is from Ethereum. So, okay, I've got 0.09 ETH, okay? I'm going to switch that to the MATIC network. I'm going to do the transfer. And it's just like you would normally. You hit transfer, it's going to have a gas fee. It takes a few minutes. It'll show pending up here. Or if I want to go the other way around, so basically the ETH over there, it's like a wrapped ETH. So it's like POS, W. This is the POS bridge. So if I was on the MATIC, I want to come back to Ethereum, I would put that in here. I've got all my ETH staked right now, so it's not showing any balance. But like I said, I have a longer video that walks through the whole process. I just want to show you quickly how to use this bridge. And if you're on Uniswap, you're making swaps, you want lower gas fees, I highly recommend moving some ETH over to the MATIC network. Use this bridge. Now from there, Quickswap is essentially like the Uniswap of MATIC. So Quickswap, it's very similar, right? Except now instead of paying $50 for a swap, I'm paying 2 cents. So you can see on here, it's got a lot of tokens already on here. There's quite a few that are also on ETH. I mean, you can walk through a bit, but I mean, if there's a token on MATIC, I mean, Compound, DAI, all these, it's so much better to swap this way if you're on, the decentralization, or if you're on decentralized exchanges. This is a really, really nice way. You can yield farm for super cheap. I can go. I've got some ETH MATIC right now, and I'm yield farming. So again, I've got the longer video. Take a look. This is just a quick way to show you kind of how to get started on MATIC. I'll put the links in the description, and hopefully this helps you make some money. All right, thanks.